Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna talk all about the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Now, if you're a skincare junkie like me, then you've been surfacing Instagram and you've been seeing this sleeping mask popping in everyone's routine, so I had to have it. So I'm going to review this and tell you all about the ingredients, tell you all about my impressions, my opinions, and whether it's worth it. So please don't hate me if I say something that you don't agree with. So Glow Recipe is a website which offers curated Korean beauty products, and they've also come up with their own products, which is a Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and the Watermelon Glow Juice. Now the juice is a serum that's supposed to hydrate your skin. The Blueberry Bounce, as I said, it's a cleanser with blueberry extracts. And then we have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, which has been hyped a lot on the internet. Watermelon is full of antioxidants. It also contains vitamin A and vitamin C, so it's gonna fight off all those aging problems on your skin. It also has natural AHAs, so it's going to exfoliate your skin, and it also has calming properties, which means that it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's going to reduce your inflammation on the skin, meaning it's going to reduce those pimples, that acne on your face, and all of that overnight. This mask also contains hyaluronic acid, so it's going to moisturize your skin overnight, and you're gonna theoretically wake up with a beautiful, bright and glowy skin. Now, of course, watermelon is the key ingredient of this mask, but it also contains pumpkin extracts, banana extracts, licorice. Now, licorice I've seen a lot in brightening beauty products. It also contains peony extract and seaweed extract. It also contains silicone. Now, if you don't like silicone, you might skip this. You can feel in the texture of it that it has that silicone slip, and the other night when I applied it, I put on a bit too much and it started to ball up and rub off on my skin, and it wasn't a pretty experience. Now, it also contains high on the list glycolic acid and lactic acid. Like I said, it's going to exfoliate your skin overnight. It also contains alcohol and fragrance, though they're the last ingredients on the list. But if you're sensitive to that, you might keep that in mind. The mask comes in a beautiful, sleek packaging, all white with watermelon on it. You have watermelon impressions inside the packaging. It also comes with the world's smallest spoon in order for you to scoop it or to mix it, because as stated on the packaging, this mask contains natural ingredients and it's susceptible to separation, so you have to thoroughly mix it for 1 minute before using it so that the product comes back to its jelly texture and doesn't have those oil dots on the surface. Now, like I said, it has a jelly texture. It is thickish, but not very thick. It's very easy to spread on the skin and it absorbs right away. Now, you can use this two ways. You can use this as a sleeping mask, as stated on the packaging. So you use this at the last step of your skincare routine. You slap on a spoonful of this, not too much, like I said, because it tends to ball up, at least on my skin. And it absorbs right in, you sleep with it, and in the morning you wash it off thoroughly. Another way to use this is you use 2 spoons of this on your skin, you leave it on for 10 minutes and then you wash it off. It's kind of a like 10-minute glow, but I myself have the peeling solution from The Ordinary to use for that kind of purposes. So this one I just use as a sleeping mask. I've never used sleeping mask before. This is my first one, and I'm not extremely impressed. Please don't hate me for this, but I think that this mask is just not suitable for my skin type. Now, I'm combo skin with acne prone, and right now it's extremely dry because of the winter time. I know we're in spring, but this week we've had very low temperatures and high wind speeds. So my skin has been suffering from the weather conditions. Now, I feel that this Watermelon Glow mask would be suitable for those with more dry to normal skin without acne, because I myself am looking for products that are holy grails for acne prone skin. This one is not, even though I did see that it reduced the inflammation overnight, and I did enjoy that effect on my skin. I don't feel like this was hydrating enough for the current state of my skin. The hyaluronic acid in it probably didn't help enough. Now I want to see the effects of this glowing mask in springtime, when it's going to be warmer, when it's going to be nicer. I think that it's going to be better, but right now at the current state of my skin, it didn't impress me. I know that people are raving about this. There are thousands of people who like this. There are thousands of people who have this as a holy grail for them. It's not a holy grail for me, even though I like this. I don't love this, I don't hate this, I'm kind of in between. So if you're somebody who enjoys this, please let me know down below. I'd like to know your opinion and thoughts of this. But I myself am just not so impressed. I guess I had too high expectations for this mask, and it didn't meet them because it was so hyped on the internet that I just had to have this. But in the end, it's a beautiful product. It's a unique product. There aren't many products having watermelon extracts in them. So I'm glad that I tried this. I'm very glad that I tried it. I'm not regretting it. I'm just not extremely head over heels with this. Also, I have some questioning on the price tag. I bought this on Cult Beauty. It's extremely hard to get across this in Europe. I only found it on Cult Beauty, and I don't know for how long they've been having it. Beauty, I think that it's extremely recent. I know that the Watermelon Glow juice is not yet available. You have to get on the wait list for this. I might try it. It seems very interesting. It's a hydrating serum, as I said before. I paid for it around 38 euros, I think, and I had 15% off and free shipping. I don't remember the original price tag, but it's kind of outrageous. I know that it comes in a very beautiful packaging. It's a unique ingredient. Like I said, watermelon is not that often used in skincare, and I mean, I can't justify the price tag. I'm sorry, but it's kind of a little bit too much up there. I think that if it had maybe 15-20% off, it's okay, but the original price tag is a bit bitty. So anyway, that was it on my thoughts on the Watermelon Glow Mask. If you've tried it, like I said, let me know down below. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know if you want to try this, and maybe you'll give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and maybe you'll subscribe. I'm gonna do this kind of videos every other week with different products that I want to splurge on, and I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it or not. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye!